Okay, video 2, earthquake. 6.1 reported on news. See the link. We found the link. How we got this guy to come over. And there's a lot of things I lifted up again today. This fell over. I lifted it up again. Very odd earthquake. I'll be climbing around up high, organizing. This fell over too. I've been busy today lifting things back up. What do we got down here? Fell off. It's rather crooked. Let's take a look at the first. Oh, sorry. He fell down. Guess need adjusting. Oh, this guy fell over. Or opened up. Oh, I'm going to be busy. Vibrated somehow. It's funny how earthquakes are. How they twist it around like that, huh? I got my work cut out for me. Nothing up here, I don't think. I already straightened these shelves out already. In the dark. This lathe might have jammed up against here. I guess it didn't. No. For tomorrow. Something heavy like this, best to check it. It has moved. Let's see over here. All this I gotta clean up. That's a weird earthquake. Like twisting things. These were all falling over. That was falling over. Let's see what damage we got up here. Yeah, it's a matter of disorganization. Kind of twisted around. Okay. Then I gotta do the machine shop. Things have fallen over. It's in the front. That's the armory. What else we got going here? be busy tomorrow. Oddly, nothing fell off that shelf. Although it's kind of all twisted, kind of moved around. This area too. Let's take a look. Light. How's this guy? Oh, this guy twisted around. Oh, this guy twisted around. Almost fell over. Truck fell over. I knew it would. Yeah, we got quite a mess. Okay, this looks okay. Could have moved. What do we got down here? Oh, something did fall off here. Ooh, I wonder where it fell to. Heavy, too. Probably down there. Or is it over this way? Thank God this didn't fall over. Don't know. I'll figure it out tomorrow. Yeah, that's all this stuff fell over. This guy twisted. Mr. Excel twisted, okay. This fell over. Oh, I see card to good. Plastic so. Ugh. Anyway. I'll use a screw jack to push him back in place. And I see where he moved. About 4 inches. Upper shelves. Yeah, I'll be busy. I was looking for that. I don't know where he came from. Is this guy twisted? Oh, he is twisted. Funny how it twisted everything. This I already organized. How's that thing? We got stuff here that's all kind of moved. This is how much it moved. This guy, I think he's okay. This is all crooked. I'll be busy. It's smelling an odd smell like oil. What that smell is? I'm gonna leave you all glass down here. Okay, fell apart. Okay. That guy fell off. That guy fell down. It's okay. Strange twist to it. Yeah, really strange. Worry about it tomorrow. Don't think these moved. This thing moved quite a bit, actually. I couldn't get in here in the morning, so I did get in here and put these back up. Oh, I'll be busy. What's down here? Funny how earthquakes are, aren't they? Okay, well, should I do something now?